Welcome to Low-Code Application Development with Oracle Apex. This video is a quick tour of team development. Hello, my name is David Peake, Product Manager for Oracle Apex. In this video, I'm concentrating on team development. Now, team development is very useful for a development team when they're building applications with Apex, insofar as they can define milestones, features, to-dos, bugs, and even create feedback within their applications, which is fed back into the development environment. So in my environment here, I've set up just a few little things. I've got some milestones, so I'm just going to change this to show all events. So you'll see I've got project initiation, gather requirements, develop applications. Then I've also got a number of features. So you'll see that I have 4 features defined, and you can see the percentage complete. One of them's at 80, the others are at 30 and 40, and the dates associated with them. If we drill into one of these, we can actually go and put in all sorts of different details for each feature. And then, very importantly, when we get down here, we can actually add the application and the page number. So we can actually identify specific pages if we choose to, and we can also specify the application that this particular feature is associated with. To-dos allow you to break up a feature into smaller components. So as a developer, you might have a feature to create some component, and then you have multiple different things that you need to do to implement that feature fully, and you can do that using to-dos. So in this one here, I actually have a to-do entered, and you'll notice it's against a specific feature here. It's also hooked up to a milestone, and once again you can specify the application and the page can well be different from the page associated with the feature. And next we have bugs, and so again there's a bug entered here. We can go and have a look at the bug, and again you can associate a bug directly with a particular application and page. So what I'm going to do now is actually just quickly go into the application builder and go into customer tracker, and then we're going to just run the application. So for example, if I click on a particular customer, I can quickly go and click on the edit page 50 in the developer toolbar here, and when I'm in here you'll see that this is now showing, and it's showing that I have one bug. If I go back to my customers and I go into administration and I scroll down here, and you'll see that I have products and then a page for editing the product. I know that there's several features associated with this page, so let's just go and have a look. And again, I can see that there's 3 features associated with that particular page directly in Page Designer. So as you're going through different pages, you can actually see anything that's being entered. So it's an opportunity to say, oh, I should go and look at any bugs or features and see what work's supposed to be done on that particular page. The last feature within team development is feedback. And currently I don't have any feedback. So what I'm going to do is quickly go and create an application. And the reason for doing that is so that I can create an application with feedback. So I'll just call this feedback app. And I don't even want any pages. I'm just going to check all of these features here so that it has feedback included. Create the application. So now I'm going to run this application. And I need to put in my user credentials. And you'll notice that it comes with this feedback icon. So clicking on here, I can say whether I'm happy, okay, or sad. So I'm happy. So I'm just putting in a comment in here. Feedback can also incorporate attachments if you decide to do so. So I'm just going to submit this feedback. And then If I go back into the application builder, into team development, and have a look at feedback, we can see that we've got some feedback entries here. And if we drill into this record, you can see exactly which application it was, which page. It was a general comment, the message that they left, and you can actually provide acknowledgement. You can close it, do whatever you need to do, or even provide follow-up. Very importantly, down the bottom here, you can see all of the environment details and anything that was saved in session state. And this can be exceedingly useful when you're researching bugs because of the fact you can readily see what parameters they went into that page with, and so it's much easier for you to reproduce the issue that they were reporting. So thank you for watching this video.